Today we're going to make Mexican rice, and I actually watched a YouTube video with a little grandmother who was making it, and her granddaughter was translating what she was doing. So I'm not going to make a big pan of it. This is a ½ cup measure, and I'm going to put a full cup of rice in here. Now I'm sure I'll be speeding the video up, so we're just going to let this get brown. Once I see this start to turn, not when it's fully brown, but when it's first starting to turn, I'm going to go ahead and add some onions and garlic to it as well. Okay, you can see it's starting to brown. So now is when I want to go ahead and put in some onions and garlic. Now I'm just going to stand and stir and try to keep it moving as best I can. The next thing that's going to go in is some tomato puree. But I want to get some color on it first. I like the way that looks. It's really thick, so I'm going to go ahead and add my water. I want to stir it around so that tomato puree comes off and liquefies. And now what the little lady used on the video was she made a bigger batch. She used 2 cubes of chicken bouillon that she crushed up. I have the Better Than Bouillon base. I'm just going to use that. And this is where you would also put your cilantro in. I don't have any, which I'm not very good with cilantro anyway. Either getting too much or not enough, so I really just don't even use it. I usually use parsley in its place if I just want, you know, the look, the green. Otherwise, I don't use it. Alright, now we want to reduce this to low, and we're going to cover it and just let it finish cooking. And it is done. That is all we do to make a delicious and this time authentic Mexican rice.